video.
Hi guys, today we're gonna make a video with my friend Aarav and it's gonna be Dinosaur. Hi guys. First we have to put half cup glue. Okay guys, now I'm gonna pour.
So that's half a cup of clear glue. You can use white glue as well.
Oh yeah. Now we need a half a cup of water. Perfect. Now let's mix, guys. Agitate, 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 agitate. We're making cake. Agitate, agitate. We're gonna make a slimy dino brown color because that's what it looks like. Like this kind of color. Yeah, that kind.
So are you gonna mix a little bit of green and a little bit of red?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Now let's mix. Agitate, agitate, agitate to make some black. This actually looks very black.
Does it look slimy, yucky slimy color?
Yeah. Oh, on the sides it's brown. It doesn't really look slimy. Now we need to add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now we bake the cake. It looks. Now we bake the black cake. Yeah.
Now you need to mix with your spoons, guys.
Now
Let's
we
mix.
Now you mean agitate. I don't even know how to say it. It means mix. I need a sip for green because I put too much red inside mine. Mine is perfect, Aarav. Look at my size. Now we need 1 tablespoon of slime solution. Agitate, agitate. Oh, I can already feel some slime over here. Agitate, agitate. It looks like blood. Mine looks like chocolate top.
Alright! Woohoo! Does it look like slime?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it looks like blood, doesn't it? Woo, what about yours, Leo?
Not really.
What does yours look like?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. And you're mixing it with
I
the
think
lid.
mine was like more slimy than this one. Feel mine, Aarav. It's pretty slimy. No, literally. Nice. I think my one more slimy because it's like a blue. Feel good. Okay, here's the red. Actually, I feel mine is slimier. I think mine is slimy. I feel mine is solid.
And you've got some friends to help you in here, right? Who is this?
Blue. And Bracky.
We've got Blue and
Now we
we've
can
got...
feed in some blood. Just kidding.
And we've got Bracky. Where is Bracky? Ah,
And now we can lose some blood. Just kidding. Now I'm just gonna sit on Bracky. Ah no! I think I need to sit on. I'm gonna sit on the. No, I can literally sit on blue. Ooh, the blood of a vampire. Oh, Aarav, look! See, mine's coming together. Mine's coming together. If you liked the slime video, please like and give us a big thumbs up and also subscribe. But don't put the thumbs down because we don't like it. Do not do that or you'll get fired from YouTube. Oh guys, look at mine.
guys, the more you knead it with your hands, the slimy it becomes.
And then it won't stick that much.
Whoa, look at this.
Mine has a little oil in it. Over here, over here. It's solid. It's solid. A blob of blood. Aarav, I'm getting all of it on my hands. Oh, I have to my bowl, Aarav. Oh no, it's blubbing down on the shotgun. Help me.
Dinosaur slime.
Yucky. This isn't slime, mine is blood. Mine is dinosaur blood.
Whoa.
Now it's egg time. Oh, my egg. I can't open egg. My egg computer. Beep, 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 beep. I have a time calculator. Put all the slime inside. That's your last and final step. Looks gross because it's so bubbles. It's so gross because it's gross. Mine's on the verb because it looks like blood. I'm so sad everybody thinks mine's gross. Oh, my slime is coming.
The slime has water coming out of it.
Mine
But I think it's perfect for play, isn't it?
Mine doesn't really. Okay, look, I have a Stegosaurus. Look, I have a meat. I have meat. I have a dead beef ghost. Guys. Look, Blue ate this Triceratops, and now the Triceratops has a little blood over it. Dead meat. Bubble on it. How about we play just maybe at the end we can mix each other's together. Yeah, and then we can divide it to half so each of us can keep half. At the end when we're done playing with our own. Guys, it looks so disgusting. I'm gonna throw mine on the ground. Look, yours has blood on it. Aarav.
It does look like blood, don't you think so?
Aarav. Mine is like icky like blood. Aarav, here's your of mine and this is mine of yours. Now I have some blood slime. Now I have some chocolate slime. AKA, this is the best slime ever. Oh, this is the inner body of a vampire.
Ooh.
Inner dead body of the vampire. Guys, look at that red stuff. Guys, look, a dead dino. Hey, you just copied. It's hatching! Oh, look! Oh, Aarav. Oh, no. The Triceratops was hatching from its... egg. My egg!
Alright, so this kids took the slime to the next level and adding all sorts to it. Glitter and some other things.
And some magic sand.
Magic sand. Oh my goodness, look at this.
He just mixed up all of it. Come on, bruh.
Whoa, that's too much glitter.